Hey guys, Rich Ferguson, and I'm back, and today I'm going to be teaching you 5 awesome ways to impress people with your business card. So what you need to do is send this to your friends that have a business card, and let's do this. You're going to hold your finger right in the center, but not here, no, on the edge. That's the secret. And you're going to pull with this finger and push. On the tip, nope. On the side, yes. Hold with the thumb, pinch to give a little extra kick as you pivot the card, and then lift the thumb. Go around once, go around twice. Share this video or else. Share this video, damn it. Turn on notifications so you never miss an upload. While you're here, make sure you're a subscriber. You're still here, so you obviously like this video, so smash that like button. All right, thank you so much for checking out the video. And if you haven't, make sure you subscribe now and share this video with all your friends that have a business card. And I'll see you next week. Peace.